Right, sir. Sources indicate that you are in possession of some USB. What sort of information does it have, and how could the government preserve it? Ah!
Disruptor. Disruptor, what are you doing?
Explain this to me, Destroyer.
Do you realize who you killed?
Not exactly, and no, for once I didn't kill him. He just came up to me like, you and I aren't so different, and I just went a bit berserk. I didn't exactly catch that he was one of us.
He's Pyroclone.
Yeah, that part was pretty obvious.
He's a war hero, a symbol of our kind, inspiring us to come forth, to be public, and be our best selves in society. Had we known he was in the city, maybe he could have saved us all.
Got 500 from the hit though.
Oh, money.
I still haven't received it yet.
You've brought shame to us yet again, human. We won't be able to survive unless we have the money. You're putting all of our lives at risk here.
If it ensures our survival, I'll go into exile.
Don't leave your dead body with me, Disruptor. Disruptor? Piss.
Silence. The next target is in this cafe. Go in and do an interview. Something journalisty you would do. Maybe, but don't do what I say. And remember...
Sorry, I didn't get him to talk.
I know.
Wait, sir, forgive me, please.
How wasn't she desensitized to all of this yet?
Oh no, that's why I don't take Python's advice. Literally 2 of you came in and now you... I'll cut to a chase. You want to know about us? Wait, so you youngsters want to know my professional career? You better not be lying. The name is Tyler. Take note because this will be a long story. I joined the academy in 1974 when I was most likely your age. You see, serving my country was always a huge dream for me, so beforehand, I made sure to spend many years at the gym. Sorry, sidetrack. In 1978, I graduated from... Oh, that story is interesting. Well...
Oh, it's nothing. Oh, it's just you. Haven't seen you since yesterday morning. Sorry for my reaction. Oh, all of this, I was just, practicing how I dispatch a target. Fine, I'll admit, not really, but it's personal. How's the rest of your day? Yeah, this month has been nothing but absolute crap. We got played by a corrupt asshole. I get put out of commission because of it. Then I received $50 measly on my first job back. No need for the apology. I told you I blame Chris for that. Well, in case you're wondering, I hold no grudge. Tell you what, I know something we could do.
Look, I get that you two are having a slightly tough time right now, but this is just ridiculous. You two are pros, elites in your own right. These jobs are for those recently inducted into Mercenary Villa, or Chris if he's bored.
Well, if Chris is allowed to boost his pathetic kill count, surely we can relieve some stress by doing more basic missions.
Okay, you know what? I'll let you cheat. Because our clients are getting annoyed at the incompetencies of our newer mercenaries. This means you, Toby.
Oh man.
And now that I mention it, we really need to change our induction programs.
In the end, we won. They signed a peace treaty and we disbanded them with thought. Thanks. Someone with decorum for once. Tell you what. Take this and hand it to the authorities. It's only 1 of 4, but the stuff that's in there, no order please.
Other journalists didn't even last 2 minutes before they were kicked out. No. We came for what we wanted. There is no need.
You suck. This is why you're barely at the leaderboard.
That'll be you for today. You're free to go. But once again, if you... Don't. She's a smart one. Fortune favors those who are clever who play with their words, so that others can learn from their humiliation.
Please, I got no need.
Hello, my good sir. Care to know your future?
I'm bored, so I might as well.
Ooh, let's see. Oh no. Bad tidings are ahead. You are doomed. In fact, you are destined to be, no, shot in the head. How is this possible?
Well, that was a waste of my time.
Basic trigger. Simple, but effective. It is now. How did you get that crystal ball, by the way? We got time.
They look delicious. I'll love to try some of that. Hold on a minute. Are they gluten-free? And are they made with organic ingredients? Okay, which ingredients? Oh, so they're not gluten-free. You do realize poor product knowledge is a result of bad customer service, and if I wasn't on the run, I would be suing her.
Excuse me, sir. My family has been suffering from a disease, and we need to know what it is.
Okay, so a health checkup?
Basically, could I book for tomorrow?
Sure, that'll be $206.
I only have $50.
Oh, my deepest apologies, ma'am. It appears we can't help you.
But, sir, my family and kids are dying, surely.
I'm sorry to hear that, but there's nothing else we could do.
Well, congratulations, you two. You saved this establishment a great deal of refund. Seems like these assassinations were the perfect time for you two to let off some steam.
Took me back to a simpler time. I'm surprised I even enjoyed this brief retrospective.
Fellas, take some advice from these two. Their level of professionalism is what you should follow.
Nelson, you let these fools do these amateur missions.
You do them too, you know.
What did you just call me, Four Eyes?
Just back up for a minute, Chris. Chill, bro.
No, she threatened me, and now I need to sort it. Now, say, Chris, you absolute legend of Mercenary Villa, I am so sorry for slandering you.
Chris, stop this.
Say it.
Chris, stop this.
What?
Why do I even try? I got enough paperwork to fill out, and I sure as hell don't want to file accident reports. Pack it up, you lot.
The next time I see you, you're dead.